All right, this is the first live demo of the Critique API Studio. This tool is meant for anyone who's trying to create an API that works, does any kind of research it needs to do, returns data in any kind of format you'd like. As you can see here, there's a couple of examples we can start with. Well, I'm going to make a new one, make one for myself. Since I like poker, I'm going to make one that create an API that finds nearby poker tournaments and returns their buy-in amount, date, and address, or location maybe is better, based on my zip code. So I'm going to supply one kind of information piece that this can use. This will be the input, and then the output will be basically everything else. Alright, looks good. I'll generate. And so here it's going to start thinking, and wow, that was fast. So we got a zip code input schema, and right here in the middle is going to be our endpoint. So this is already generated an endpoint in our backend. If you open this, there's a prompt instruction. You need to find nearby poker tournaments based on the user zip code. Pretty much what I said. And now, the output schema. This is going to be a visualization of the kind of output you'd be getting if you were to call this API endpoint with the parameter we mentioned in the beginning, zip code. So an array of tournaments that have buy-in amounts, dates, and locations. We go here, and now finally, since I'm signed in, I have an API key. But of course, if you're not signed in, you should be able to do this one time. My zip code is 92618. Let's see how it goes. And so while this is running, it's going to do its own search. There's a search engine built in, and it'll come up with its own kind of sources and find results for you. So the possibilities here are pretty much endless. We can set this up for any business and, oh, there it is. Set this up for any business and find use cases and all kinds of information here. So we have buy-in amount, a list of tournaments, buy-in amount, dates, locations, all right? So it's cool. Over here in code examples, basically all of this stuff here, Python, JS, curl, you can copy and paste this with your API key, of course, and it should just work. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And all the different designs I've been making, I can save and look up over here. So, all right, thanks for watching.